Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Last class you learned for subtraction without regrouping and word problem. You understand the concept, children? Unit 2. Shall I move now? Chapter 3, patterns. Look here, children. What is this? Kaleidoscope. This is a kaleidoscope. How to make this? Kaleidoscope consists of a tube containing mirror pieces of colored glass paper whose reflection produced changing pattern when the tube is rotated. This tube is rotated, then you get the changes for the patterns. Look here, children. You see now, shapes is here. Shall I rotate now? Yes, you get it, this some model of patterns. Yes, you look carefully. Triangle is cutted now. Then form for one more star. Some other designs you found here. So this is the kaleidoscope. This kaleidoscope is used to show the different kinds of patterns. So this kaleidoscope used the tube, then 3 glasses, then pattern colors. So this one help to find out the design. You understand this, children? You see the figure for using this pattern is rotated. This glasses is rotated. Then you get the different patterns. You understand, children? Children, look here and identify the patterns. Triangle, hexagon, triangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, triangle. Here using for different color and different shapes, but arrange the sequence, arrange the order that is saying for the patterns. Here triangle is 2, but using the colors is different color. This one is right angle triangle, here triangle. This one hexagon, next one circle, right angle triangle, hexagon, triangle. So different kinds of shapes arranged one by one orderly. That one is saying here patterns. This pattern is using the model for used to decorate color paper, decoration paper. That one is example for one of the patterns. Okay, you understand the concept, children? Shall I move now in your book exercise? Pattern in a sequence of shape. Patterns in a sequence of shape. First Sam, I give the example here. This one for hexagon, triangle, square. First one set. This 3 is same order to repeat here. Second one. 1, 2, 3. This one is also same. Then next one, what do you find out? What is coming for the answer? That pattern you find out is the sequence. That one is saying for sequence. Patterns for this one. Greenhouse. Then next one for triangle. The next one for square shape. So these three for the answer. So using for hexagon, triangle, then square. Then find out now second one. 2, circle, rectangle, semicircle. So again, circle, rectangle, semicircle. Then what do you find out next one? Yes, circle, rectangle, then semicircle. So second one answer is circle, rectangle and semicircle. I give the examples here. You understand? Then you move for the class work. Easy to do yourself. Unit 3 patterns. Exercise number 3.1. Fill in the shapes. Here given the same example given to you. So easy to find out. Draw it here the shape. Next one. Use the color same. The next one, triangle, square. Yes, fill in the shapes. So first one set, second one set, you draw for finally third one. So this is the answer. You find out for this next. Here, second sum, look here. 1, 2 triangle, 2 rectangle. Then next one, 3 triangle, 3 rectangle. So this one for increasing order. So this pattern is saying last year you studied for third standard growing patterns. So here number is also increasing. But patterns it's also repeated. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then you draw for 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, rectangle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then you draw for 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. You find out, children. The next one, third one sum. Here find out first diamond, rectangle, circle. So draw now. Again diamond, rectangle, circle. So you draw for diamond shape. The next one, rectangle. The next one, circle. You understand, children? Phillips, this one is a patterns model. So you easy to find out the shapes. What come to next one? You find out the answer. Then last one sum, you do it, children. Ready to do? You understand this 3 sums. Then you do for fourth one yourself. Try it here. This is the last one, fourth one sum. First you find out for semicircle, circle, hexagon, triangle. This is the answer, children. You understand? Chapter 3, patterns, fill in the shapes. Exercise number 3.1. Then next one you move for patterns in number. Patterns in number. So this patterns in number used for multiplication and division. Multiply any number by 9. The sum of all the digits of the product is 9. So children, you know for number 9, which one number you added to get for sum is 9? You 9 get for sum of is 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. So sum of 9. Sum of is 9. Any two number you take it out and do for addition. That one is sum. You get it, the number is 9. So that is here. Do for patterns in number, multiplication and division 9. Patterns in numbers, multiply any number by 9. The sum of all the digits of the product is 9. So I give the example now. You know the numbers 1 to 9. But I here take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 9. So here not take for number 8. 8 is not taken here. 8 என்ற நம்பரை நான் எடுத்துக்கல. ஓகேவா? So up to 1, start from 1 to 9 but leave for 8. Leave for 8. இந்த 8 என்ற நம்பர் நான் எடுக்கல இந்த நம்பர்ல. ஓகேவா? So do for multiply number 9. You get the answer for only 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times you get it the number only 1. So first sum multiply by 9. So you get the 9 once. Then next one I take it for 9 twos are 18. So this is also 9 multiplies number. So one time. So you take the answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 9 times. Then next one 9 twos are 18. So you get the answer is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then next one you 9 threes are 27. So you get it for 3, 3, 3, 3 up to 9 times. 3, 3, 3. Then next one 9 fours are 36. So get it the number for 4, 4, 4, 4, 9 times. Then next one 9 fives are 45. Then you get it for 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then find out for last one pattern. Here using for same model for 9 table. 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 9 threes are, 9 fours are, 9 fives are. Then next one 9 6 are 54. So first one time 1, second time 2, third time 3, fourth time 4, fifth time 5. Then next one sixth time. What do you get the answer? Yes. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times you get 6. This is here saying for patterns in number. This one is saying here patterns in number. You understand this one, children? Don't do for multiplication. Only easy to find out the patterns. So 1 to 9 you take it here. Leave for 8 only. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then multiply for 9 table. First time you multiply, so you get the answer 1. Second time you multiply number 2. Third time you multiply 9 threes are 27, so 3. 9 fours are 36, get it for 4. 9 fives are 45, so 5, 5, 5, 5. So 9 times 5. Then easy to find out. How many times you get the 54? 9 6 are 54. So you write the number is here. Easy to find out the number for patterns. Don't do for multiplication. Easy to find out the answer. Shall I move now next one? This one exercise. Complete the following sequence. First one 9 multiply 6. 9 6 are 54. Then next one pattern here given for first one only one number, second one two number 66, third number 666, 66,666. Then 6,66,666. So here take it the number 6, 1, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, then 6, 6. So find out the numbers. First number to second number you find out what is the difference. So 9, 9. 6 table, 66 table. 54 here 594. So the next one number compare here 9, 9, 66, 666. You get it here difference for this number 9. Between the number is only changes. So 5994. Then next one number you compare now 9, 9. 666, 6666. 5994, 5, 4. Between number what you get? Here 1 time, here 2 time. Then next one you get it for 3 times. But 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So this is the sequence for complete the number. Patterns in sequence. Patterns in sequence number. No changes for this. So only increasing for this number. Multiply of 6 table. 66 table. 666. 6066. Then next one 66,666. So here you take 2 number 1 9, 3 number 2 9, 4 number 3 9, 5 number 4 9. How many times 9 is coming here? 4 times. So this is the pattern. This is the pattern. No changes for remaining numbers. First number and last number is given to you. Then easy to find out how many 6. 2 6, write only 1 9. 3 6, 2 9. 4 6, 3 9. Then here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you should write 4 9. Then 5 plus 4 is 1 more 9. So then next one, last one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times is given here. So you should write 1 2 3 4 5 times. So in between the number only asking, but first and last number is given here. So you understand this concept, children? Complete the sequence. Then same model for second sum. 9 multiply 111. So you get the number is 999. Then next one, 9 multiply for 2 table, 2 2 2, 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number is increasing. Here multiply the product for this 2 number is 9. But first number and last number is 9. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So you should write 1, 2, 3 digit. So 2 digit is 9. 1 digit divided and write. So 1 9 is divided and write for 1 plus 8. Then next one digit 2 plus 7. Then next one digit what you write? This one is increasing, left hand side, right hand side for decreasing. So 1, 2, the next 3, next 4, next 5. So easy to understand this. The next one here 9 changed here 8, 8 changed here 7, 7 changed now 6. 6 changed next 5, then next changed for 4. So here 9 multiply 111, you get the answer 9999. Then next one 9 multiply 222. So this one 9 is no changes. 9 directly given here. But 9 for divided for 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So write first one 1, last one 8. So this 2 steps is given to the answer. Then next here this 2 number is given here. So first you find out for first number and last number. But before the sum, middle number only asking. Here 2 sums is for given for in your book exercise. This one page number 47. Complete the sequence. Complete the following sequence given to you in your textbook. So that one sum only I give it to you in your notebook. You understand the concept, children? This is the second sum. This one pattern is also given to you. So you find out for only 1, 2, 3 lines. So easy to understand. This second sum you understand that, children? Okay. Once again I revise you for next class. Okay. Thank you, children.